always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. We were treated to just a little bit of sunshine earlier on today. The clouds have built in, and there is an increasing chance of showers and storms as the day continues. During the afternoon and evening especially is when we have the greatest risk of seeing anything severe happen with large hail and damaging winds. We get a break in the action tomorrow. Should be nice actually before some cooler and wetter weather looks to move in as we approach the weekend. There's a look at the storm reports that occurred during the last 24 hours. About 400 at last check, including 17 tornado touchdowns, many of which occurred in the state of Oklahoma. So that same system is now advancing further east and looks to introduce that chance of severe weather locally. A marginal risk for our northern counties, as you can see, mainly north of I-96, parts of Kent County included in that. As you move further south toward I-94, that's where there is a slight risk of severe weather, category 2 out of 5. Meanwhile, northern Indiana into Kentucky and then western Ohio, that is an enhanced risk of severe storms. So that's where there's the greatest chance at seeing some of those tornado touchdowns occur. Locally, we should expect the time frame to land between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. as far as the severe weather goes. Damaging winds and hail are the two primary threats, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado spin-up or two as we continue through the day, especially further south. There's a look at Storm Track Live right now. You can see some of the spots that are being impacted with the rain. We'll focus in on those in Allegan County, just north of South Haven. Looks like they're receiving a bit of a break in the rain near Kalamazoo, and Portage also picking up on some wet weather at this moment. So again, a pretty active situation on the radar. We'll put that in motion as well. This has been advancing from southwest to northeast. Looks like this is beginning to lose some of its impact over the lake. Special marine warning continues for a little while longer with some gusty winds on the leading edge of that boundary. So again, it looks like this first wave will pass off to the northeast. We'll have a brief break, and then some more thunderstorms look to form as we get into the later afternoon. Putting things in motion here with Futurecast, you can see some of those thunderstorms igniting down toward Berrien County at 4 o'clock this afternoon. It looks like those will pick up in coverage as we push the clock forward into 5, 6 o'clock this evening, stretching from Benton Harbor toward the city of Allegan. So some isolated, stronger storms possible. By 7 o'clock this evening, it looks like that focus will shift further east into Berry County, stretching further south toward Branch County. Here in Grand Rapids, still picking up on a little bit of rain. Finally, at 9 o'clock tonight, it looks like the show's about over. One more strip of storms possible very early tomorrow morning before it looks like we clear things out. Should be a pretty nice day tomorrow. Again, we'll see some sunshine. Highs should land in the low to mid 70s. Precipitation amounts about a ½ inch to an inch on the way for today. Stormy skies as you look outside in Kalamazoo right now. Yeah, looking at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport camera, you can see that we have cloudy conditions, not a whole lot noteworthy though right now. Our temperature sits at 67 degrees with the wind from the east-southeast, somewhat breezy, 18 miles per hour. Mid-60s to about 70 in regards to our temperature. And the wind gusts are a little bit strong, between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Here's a look forward in the 8-day forecast. A 90% chance of showers and storms today. Again, there is that severe risk as well. 74 for tomorrow. Cooling things off dramatically into Thursday with a healthy chance of rain. Some more rain for the Riverbank Run happening on Saturday. Emily and Sue.